Hello everyone, we are a professional woodwork customization factory from China. We handle everything from design, cutting, edge banding, drilling to final installation. We are making simple pieces of Italian-style products for our client. You can choose any color you want with us. These are two wood veneer products. One is black walnut veneer. The other is white oak veneer. Durability of veneer products has come a long way. We use Italian-style semi-transparent finish. If you are an overseas client, designer, or contractor, feel free to contact us. We offer reliable quality. Looking forward to working with you.